or may not know this about me, but I'm not a big protein snack ball kind of person. I don't like granola. It's usually granola, usually some sort of fruit. Just doesn't appeal to me. I like fruit, not in like a protein ball. Well, I found me a protein ball that includes these. And no fruit and no granola. And I am intrigued. These are the ingredients she uses. We have unsweetened almond milk, powdered peanut butter, protein, dealer's choice. I went with vanilla. Sugar-free Jell-O, I also went with vanilla here. I couldn't find the sugar-free white chocolate she used. And I know she uses dark chocolate chips. Dark chocolate's not my jam. Replaced them with milk chocolate. And then just a packet of stevia. To start, we mix everything together except for the almond milk and the chocolate chips. Let's go. And in case you're wondering, I'm actually making a double batch right now. I'm gonna form them into balls and store them for snacks throughout the day. So do as I say and not as I do. Unless of course you're doubling your recipe, then do as I do. Let's give it a taste. Not bad. I will say, I'm not a huge peanut butter person. Just pausing for everybody to come at me. So it's a little more peanut buttery than I'd like. I think on a second go around, I'd have a little bit less peanut butter and see what we could do with it. But overall, this is not bad. Honestly, I would eat this without the chocolate chips. I've always been a person who actually likes chocolate chip cookies for the dough and not as much the chocolate chips. I know we're a rare breed, but if you're out there, just a thought. Let me know your thoughts.